Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a DevOpsSchool's flagship certification program in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@DevOpsSchool.com.
Okay, so now here I'm going to help you to practice some of the code. So operators, which is you have some codes here, more or less not tutorials you will have. I will update it slowly, but not now. Some code. So arithmetic operators. So let me copy this code and put it up. Now x is equal to, this is the operator's demo, okay? So x is equal to 15, y is equal to 4, and now this is the operator used. Look at this here. Okay, these are all the different operators and print functionality, you know that. So more or less, are you comfortable with this code, all of you? All of you?
What is the last but one operator? Divide, backslash.
This one, yeah. So this is the one. Basically, it will tell you whatever that this sign. I'm not able to recall the English name for it.
Exponential.
Exponential, yeah. So this is the exponential. So, just a second. There's 2-3 words for this in this actually. So this is something which we call it double star arithmetic operator. Just a second, hold on. What we call it name we have is just a second. Exponentials. So I'm very bad in pronouncing this word actually. Okay, so let's do that. Let me run this. Enter. So now this is how you can use the operators. Multiple operator depends on that. Okay, so now let me show you more code for it. So these are the additional codes which you can just get it run this. These all are copy paste code, which you can see that. So this is a different operators has been used. Print x plus y, x minus y, and stuff like that. So these are operators also, and run that. So I'm making you a little bit comfortable with the operators. That's all. It can be depends on your project requirement. So I just close this. I'll just close this also. Now there is assignment operators. Let's use this in this code. So these are the assignments operator, and here this is same last one arithmetic. This is some arithmetic again. So I think assignment operator, I've copied it wrong code. Yeah, I copied the wrong code here, so I'll correct it in this one. So let me get this assignment operator from my GitHub. All this code is lying in the GitHub also. Python here, the sample code live. Yeah, so I think 3 or 4. This is a list 2, and yeah, this is a assignment operator. Okay, so let me check this. Hold on a second. So I'll correct it later, this one. Okay, for time being, this is the assignment operators. Now you see that here, 6 plus 2, here some arithmetic, and after that, here you have assignment. So print x is equal to y, false, x is not equal to y, whatever it is, and x less than. So this is the way you can use that assignment operator. Now, this is a bitwise operator. Like that, you will try this one, a relational operator. So here you have a relational operator, some use cases, comparison operator, arithmetic operator, and this is the comparison operator. Here it is. So look at this, x is greater than y is like this, comparison operator. This all returns the true false, and all. So like that. Now you will see some more operators. You can see that here. So all the examples are there. Some of these corrections needed, I will correct it after some time and get it done. Now let's talk about the conditioning. So conditioning is very simple. Here you have a Python if else elif. So in Python we have three ways to set the condition: if statement, or else, and elif. Elif, you have a multiple else statement, then you can use it else. So you see here, if condition and statement. Condition, it can be anything, comparison operator or something like that, which you can use it. Anything which returns the true and false, you can use that operators here. So examples, you see that here, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 5. If x is greater than 5, which is true, then x is greater. So these are the comparison operators you can use for the if statement. There is one more, if else. So if the condition is true, if not, then that else. So run these conditions at any cost. So that is also, you can do that. There's a elif also. So if you have a multiple else statement, if condition, then do that. If not, elif condition. If that is matching, then do that statement, and else or else. So something like that, you can do that. Elif, this is also one of the way you can use the conditional statement, which is like a ternary operator. So here variable is equal to statement. If it is true, if condition is true, else statement, this one. So this is also, you can do that. So examples, look at this, number is equal to 5. If number is equal to 5, that means it's true, then print number is true. Else print number is not 5. This is the example for it. This is truthy and falsy values. So here, if number, what does it mean? So if number is declared, variable has declared, then it's true. If it's not declared, then it's not be true, something like that. So here number is equal to 5, that means it declared the value. So if number, print number is defined and truthy. Here text is equal to Python. So here you say if text colon, which is like declare, then display this one. Here you can use for the some boolean and none also. So if you see that here, Python course is a boolean type. So here, if a boolean course, which is a true itself, because Python course value is itself is true boolean, then print this will execute. Here it's alien found none. So if alien found means if alien found which is set none, then it will not execute. So like that also you can do that. Not if also you can use it in Python. It depends on you. So here first statement, if you see number is equal to 5, here is the condition is number is not equal to 5. That exclamation is the not equal sign actually. Exclamation not equal to 5, then print this will not execute like that. If not, Python course which is defined, then it will run this like this also, you can do that. This is the truthy table. Get comfortable. I hope all of you are comfortable with the truthy table, right? All of you. All of you? Hello? All of you are comfortable with the truth table?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So just become comfortable because this is important for you. So when you want to write a long project. Okay. So this is the one examples where you have a multiple if statement. So here, if you see that, tell me where number is equal to 3, that is true, and Python course is true. So when true, true, what will it will return? There is a two if condition actually, multiple if condition. So then what will return? True, true. All of you? True, true. Look at this true. See here. So true, true, true. So here true, I mean false or true. False or true. So this will also return true. So this is the true statement. This is a ternary if statement, and this is many times you'll see uh, bigger if A is equal to if A is greater than B, else smaller. So set the variable, something like that you can set, and then do that. Okay, so now looping. Before looping, let's see that some more commands. How do we run it? So here's some code I have copied and which you can use it. Same command almost. So here you see, first let's understand. For this is the condition, how to use the condition. So here there is a looping which I'll discuss next, but right now for I is a variable, and in range means this is the what is this? I forgot that. What is the range? Anyone can tell me?
Between 1 and 10. 1 and 11.
Range is what? It's a
1 to
list,
10.
list or tuple or what? List or tuple? What exactly? Anyone? So this is a tuple, right? Parenthesis. So print I 1 to 10 it will set. So print I, and if I is equal to 5, then break it. So tell me what this will display, all of you.
1 to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it will display 5 because after that this condition is there. Correct, no? So here if true, print hello, set this. Here also if true, print hello, age equal to 5, something like that you can set. Here if true, print true, else false. Here there's a many ways to do that. So yeah, practice it in offline apps and observe the output and stuff like that. So here there is a code problem in line number 20. Uh, this one, but actually it can be anywhere else also. So here it says expect the indented block after if statement. So uh, so there is a different error. It says line number 20 missing parenthesis equal to print. What is this? Print. Okay, this is a okay. This was with intention, so I actually this is a way you to correct that. Okay, so first line will consider. So this is just for showing the identification error. So that's the reason it's you're getting this. Okay, so now this is a way you can correct it if you want it like this.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopssschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.